What if everyone forgot who I was?
What?
They're coming here because of me, right? Because I'm Peter Parker. So cast a new spell. This time make everyone forget who Peter Parker is. Make everyone forget. You're gonna forget who I am. What? Are you excited for MIT?
Right now. Yeah, I'm actually excited, which is weird because I don't really get excited about things that kind of excited this way.